We're standing outside of a Massey 9565 combine. This thing's huge. I've never seen a 30-foot Hydroflex grain table before. The smallest ones I've ever seen is a 35-foot. But that's what we need, is a 30-foot. Cool. I think that's the style of those tires.
They deflate or something?
Well, they're
Full
traction, yeah. Full traction.
Well, how can that not be hard on a tire?
It's the engineering. if I knew, I'd be a millionaire.
Yeah. How is that not hard on? Kyle, you're the mechanic. It would be, wouldn't it?
See, I don't like the looks of these new Challengers. They just look.
You the only one to guess. Mr. Horn's yellow tractor in there.
Somebody guess what this tractor is.
Minneapolis Mower.
It's a Minneapolis.
I just don't like the look of the way they look.
Look different, doesn't
Mm-hmm.
It's heavy duty. This is just a.
It's just this light. Yeah. Yep. 5:30. I'm watching the freaking video.
John Deere Research and Engineering Center in Waterloo, Iowa, bringing you news about Deere
Yep.
machines.
Where is it? I don't know, but I'm not called it.
We're soon to be the talk of the country. Good work and long life in the toughest conditions. The one and only tractor. A tractor anyone would be proud to own. Will give the farmer everything he wants. You got one tractor that will do the whole job. Strong and long-lasting, making life easier, happier, and more profitable. John Deere again made tractor history an even more powerful tractor than ever before. Track type power with a big future.
There it is.
That looks like back in the
That's the first ever one.
I know that's from 1917 to 1924.
Are you ready,
I was talking about the new ones. How they look almost. They look almost prehistoric.
Yeah.
Probably should have done their days this year, but I did not think it could.
I had to make it special.
No way.
No. Where? Nothing. 7140. It's a lot different than our 1660. Oh yeah. Well, we went to the Clarksville Farm Toy Show one day, or one year, a couple of years ago. A little kid about this big came up to me. He's like, "Hey, Farmer John."
That's cool. You need to start carrying around an ink pen.
Well, I got one.
You should have signed
You need to carry around
a
ink
brochure.
pen and a picture of it.
Yeah, no. I need to get the. Christy's got window stickers for me.
Yeah.
She made.
I got that one again.
Oh yeah.
in danger.
I'm in danger.
No, he's the eagle.
He's the eagle.
You gotta cut this out of the video. If you're filming right now.
Wow, that's a small baler. Yep. I guess. Geez, I'm almost as tall as this is. Well,
in a tomato, a peach, or a kiwi, what you do is you lay it on there and go from side to side. And you guys like apples and pears. I don't know what I get. And ladies, you can't beat this. You don't feel another potato with a pair of knives. Now, everywhere you find these, I don't know of anybody.
all right, this is a Hardy sprayer. It self-propelled. I didn't know they had self-propelled sprayers. Ooh, I like that. You can adjust that. That's nice. Then this is all the.
Anytime you hit a hard surface, what does it do to the knife?
Huh.
Well, if somebody doesn't sharpen that knife, sooner or later.
Yeah, I don't know what all the buttons do. That's nice. Ooh, and it stays.
I've been selling these knives since 1991. Somebody one day told me to get a life. I misunderstood, thought they said get a knife. Look what I've been doing. It's their bad hearing, and look what it did.
So I like it.
Now when my wife talks to me, I say, we have this.
So the only problem
Here's what my knife looks like.
with this sprayer is it has a Deutz engine in it. A Deutz. I've never heard good things about them. So.
It's been so cold there this winter, one of my neighbors actually pulled her out.
So yeah, I don't know, something to think about.
All I'm going to do is drop that tomato.
Yeah, but y'all never.
That thing goes 35 miles an hour. It's got a Cummins. Knock out a lot of acres in a day. Oh, you can't get in.
When we grew up,
1206.
met our husband, I met my husband through pulling, Christina and Jeremy through pulling, so it's no doubt that pulling runs really deep in our blood. So it's a family affair, we wouldn't know it any other way. I do have to thank, first of all, Boyd & Sons, Machinery and Warrior Tracks, as I
These were the ones I was talking about.
Front end loader being so high.
So this tractor's actually sold.
There you go, Cameron.
Man, are they going to be? They put my punch in this car.